Hey guys, giving you an update on my new tires. Trying to go tubeless with stands. Haven't even used it. That is still a tube. I don't have an air compressor, and unfortunately this guy is not really going to work trying to get the tire because what happens is without the tube, there's too much of a gap, and I don't, this thing is just not strong enough. So I'm going to have to look at another option. If anybody else has any other suggestions, but I think the compressor is the only way to do it. So I'll have to find someone that's got one. I don't need one just for this, so we'll see. I do love the new tires though. Really nice. It's a shame too because I took a ton of video, but it's just kind of wasted right now because I don't have it working. But everything, the wheels are cleaned up. I still need to clean up my rad, get that going, but I thought I'd give you an update. Not everything works in the YouTube universe. All right, y'all have a great week, and I'll be back on the cross current till I can get this guy going. All right, see ya. Bye.